Yo, once again, this is CryptoCrayze, coming to you with a quick video update on Nucleus Vision, NCASH. We did a first video that essentially went into the accusations that literally just, I guess, touched the surface, but we got a couple comments, got a bit of feedback, a few people wanting to, I guess who were a bit annoyed with some of the things that we said. Some of the things I said, and to be honest, I thought let's just delve into it a bit more. So I did a bit of research, and having looking more into the issues. This is essentially what we found, and essentially what I'm the kind of place where I'm at right now with it. Essentially, this is the source of the accusation. Just to bring it to light, on their website, on NCASH's website, we are seeing the Tommy Hilfiger sign, and they're saying trusted by hundreds of brands. This is on their website, so that's where the source is. I think the first issue is really a matter of clarity. NCASH has not really been clear what it means that they're trusted by these brands, and that's and essentially the accusation said that they were claiming to be partners. That's not necessarily true. We don't necessarily see them here saying that they're the partners, but we do see them with their thing on the website, and that at the very least is misleading, and could be and they could do better essentially in this particular point. But like we said in number point 3, the accusation itself claimed that they said that they were partners. That's not actually true either. So that's actually an unfounded accusation, and it's also worth recognizing the response. NCASH still have, after all these accusations, they still have the Tommy Hilfiger sign up on their website. So that must mean that they're quite confident, I guess, at the very least, if they're not willing to take it down, especially following the screenshots that we saw. And if we just take one more look at the screenshots themselves, I've highlighted a few concerning sections. I guess the first thing is just, we can see the way that they seem to end some of these messages. Many thanks, capital M, capital T, and then later on, many thanks, capital M, lowercase t. For a big company, that seems quite unprofessional and quite haphazard. You think they would have standard templates for this kind of stuff. Ending things with like Tommy Hilfiger team as well is particularly weird. In this particular part of the message as well, we see, as soon as we have received a response, we will confirm with you. As soon as we have received a response, we will confirm with you. That's just poor English. To be honest, CryptoCrayze, his first language is not English, so I wouldn't be surprised if he did fabricate this, as some people have suggested. They went from saying starting by saying hi CryptoCrayze to hi there to hi Hades. It just seems quite haphazard. And I think this final one here also says, we are currently in the process of removing our logo. Like I said, NCASH still have it up on their website, so that makes us feel like either NCASH didn't really take these screenshots seriously. I think one thing that really puts the grave in the coffin for me, though, personally, is this particular screenshot put up. One, they start by just saying hi crypto, and secondly, which just seems hella informal, but when he's talking about Nautica, but the second part is really, it says, we hope this helps. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. Please, it's not English. I think there's a real problem here, and it does make it seem more and more like it's quite fabricated, written by CryptoCrayze himself for the clickbait. And so that said, if you like what you're hearing, if you like, it sounds like NCASH is obviously maybe in the clear here, and that CryptoCrayze hasn't really done his research, and he's just committed fraud essentially. But that said, NCASH could be clearer with regards to what they mean when they're saying that they're trusted by all these brands. That said, if you like what we've had to say, if you like this quick review, this brief overview, detailing what's happened here, then like, subscribe, let us know what you think, drop some comments, drop some feedback, like the video, dislike the video, interact. and hopefully we can have some good discussions. But yeah, that said, this is CryptoCrayze. Once again, peace.